Sorry? I wish to report a crime. And so this is being filmed, by the way, so you know this, and being recorded. So you are saying to me that you're not wishing to take a report of a crime that we believe has been committed.
Can they identify themselves?
No, we don't report a crime to an MP. We report a crime to the police. That's what I'm trying to tell you, and you're refusing to take the details of a crime I am reporting to you. That's what you're doing. So you're refusing to take this down. You're refusing to. We wish to report this as a war crime, and you, as the police, are refusing to take this down. You're refusing to take this down to entertain this at all.
Ignorance of the law is no thing.
This is the law. This is the law. This is the law. This is the law. We're talking about international war law here. You understand that? It's international war law. We can't speak to a local MP. You don't report a crime. You don't report a crime to an MP. You report a crime to the police. Well, we can quote 2010, 11, 2016, 17. They hung up.
Yeah.
Well, that's there. We now know how independent the police in this country is. He says you can't report a crime against the Prime Minister. These calls are recorded, by the way.
Yeah.
These calls are recorded.
You should have asked them to identify himself.
I know. I'm sorry about that.
So they can commit whatever crimes they like.
So, yeah.
And you cannot complain about a crime being committed by a sitting Prime Minister.
Yes,
even if it breaks international law.
You know what he said, James? He turned around and he says, report it to the government. Report the crime to the government that's committed the crime, which you cannot do. You can only go to the police. They're supposed to be independent, but they're not independent. They're part of the British state, and they're just part of the British state, and that's what they are. And they don't wish to take this down. What we will do tomorrow is we will go to a police station in Glasgow and report this as a crime. That's what we will do tomorrow.